Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Your girl here, Tanisha. So I want to tell you how to make spirulina pancakes, right? So my company named it a different name, which is Techui, but it's really just spirulina. Okay, so you take a capsule, put some pancake mix, you just put it in there. Alright, get your water, stir it up, and then it gives this flavor. You get this flavor where you don't have to use syrup for the pancakes. Okay. Well, you don't have to use syrup for the pancakes, okay? And you just simply stir it up. You don't have to have a lot. You just have a little bit because the spirulina, guys, is very powerful. For a spoon. Spoony woony. All these cups and shit over here. So I'll get a spoon, put some water, stir it up. Okay, then it turns green. Okay, the pancakes turn green. Now, if you don't like taking pills or capsules, okay, this is another way to get the spirulina herb inside of your body. Even for your children, guys. Your children, everybody needs herbs, okay? Herbs help us to live healthier longer. Okay, so stirring this up. Sometimes I might put almond milk in here. Sometimes I might put almond milk, but not all the time. Okay, then just stir it up. Got your pot on. Get your I use Smart Balance. Okay. I use Smart Balance butter because they don't have no GMOs. And it's not like margarine. It's not oily. And it's not fatty. You know, stuff like that. Okay. So, stirring this up. So, I'm making pancakes for my kids. So, Techui, well, spirulina pancakes. Okay, spirulina. If you guys can see this, but spirulina. Okay, pancakes. Okay, spirulina. Okay, pancakes for my kids. Stirring up in a bowl. Making breakfast. This is one of the perks, guys, of working from home. Okay, you can actually cook breakfast for your kids and actually sit down and enjoy it with them without rushing. I remember I used to rush. You know, my oldest daughter can tell you. Like, I used to rush. Like, come on, hurry up. Throw some cereal in your mouth. Let's go. I gotta go. I gotta go to work. Terrible feeling, guys. I'm telling you. Terrible, terrible feeling. Terrible, terrible, terrible feeling. All right, babe, get dressed. So, I'm making some Techui spirulina pancakes. So now, the batter is green. So the pancakes will be green, guys, okay? Will be green. So I'm making turkey bacon and pancakes. And they're going to get some with Techui. So remember, guys, this also is a heavy metal detox. And it also gives you all the nutrients that you need for the day, okay? Okay? Simple, guys. It's very, very simple to get the nutrients that you need in your body, okay? It's very, very easy to get the nutrients. Now, of course, I got my famous coffee with my company. Yes, baby. Tender love and care, but total life changes, baby. Okay, tender love and care, but Total life changes. Okay. Total life changes. And I drink this coffee, and I could take it to Chewy if I want. You know, if I feel like it. You know, I'll do that. Total life changes. Okay. To Chewy, drinking this amazing coffee. Now, guys, you could put almond milk. Put a splash of almond milk. You could put almond milk, right, in there if you want to. Just a splash of it in the pancakes, and put some in my coffee too. Shy harm. Calling my kids, guys. That's how I get my kids up in the morning. You don't have school today. Oh, you go late? Oh, well, my oldest one, she goes late. My youngest one, I take her. So, all right. Well, I'm making pancakes and bacon. Cooking for them. While making me a decent cup of coffee. Okay. And this is how you do it, guys. Okay. So make sure you get it inside. So go to My Herb Tea. No, matter of fact, go to Get My Health Tea. Okay. Get My Health Tea, guys. Get you some Spirulina. Okay. Some Techui, guys. To get it in. Your nutrients that you need every day. Plus, it's a heavy metal detox. Plus, it helps you go, you know, to the bathroom, okay, of course. And it just gives you all the nutrients, guys, that you need in one day, guys. Literally, you know, like eating 10 salads or something like that. Literally, eat your medicine, guys. I'm telling you. Eat your medicine, right? Not take your medicine. I'm telling you, eat your medicine. I'm having my kids eat their medicine today, guys. I'm telling you, this, my mission is, guys, to help people, you know, get healthy. My mission is to help my family get healthy. My mission is, you know, to help you get healthy, right? And chaga, okay, and this coffee right here, that's why I said, guys, if you're drinking Starbucks, drop that Starbucks. If you're drinking Dunkin' Donuts, drop that Dunkin' Donuts, guys, and get some coffee. That's going to help improve your eyesight. That's going to give you energy and also going to give you a detox, friends. Okay? And Spirulina, guys, go to Get My Health Tea and get you some today, friends. See you soon.